Hello everyone, this is Chailcodes, and this is all tutorial levels of Regex Crossword. I stream Regex Crossword on Twitch on Saturdays at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this video is a cut from that stream. Alright, so here we have our first puzzle. We have A pipe B and A pipe Z. So that pipe means or, right? So our first one says A or B, and our second one says A or Z. And since A is in both of those, we know that it's the answer. Awesome, so that validated, and the next puzzle is coming up soon. All right, so these brackets define a character set, right? So whatever is inside of this is what this has to match. So we have A, B, or C, and we have B, D, or F. Now, B is in both A, B, and C, and B, D, and F, so we know that B is our answer. All right, so let's talk about this little up arrow. That up arrow means not. So our range of characters is A and B, and that up arrow not means that it cannot be A or B. Then we have our standard range of characters here. We don't have a not symbol, so the characters that match this one are A, B, and C. So we need a character that matches A, B, and C and isn't A or B, so we know that it's C. All right. Let's see, what's the next one? Awesome, so this symbol right here, this star, splat, asterisk, whatever you want to call it, means that there is 0 or more of that character. All right, so here we have A, so this pretty much has to be A, and it also matches our A star. This one says A, B star, which means that you have an A, and then that B, there can be 0 or more of them. Since we only have two blocks and they're vertical like this, this AB can only be A. Did that make sense? All right, let's validate this and move on to the next puzzle. Oh, now we have a question mark. A question mark means that you have 0 or 1 of that character, which means that since we have two slots here, it pretty much has to be A, B, but let's validate that against the other ones. So we have A pipe C, which is A or C, and A matches that. And then we have B, which is just B. Cool. Plus means that you have 1 or more of that character. So since we see this plus here, we know that these both have to be A, but let's take a moment to make sure that they validate against the other expressions. So you have A pipe B, which is A or B, A pipe Z, which is A or Z, and A matches both of those. And we validate. Awesome. All right, so this parentheses around something means that it's a capture group, right? So we're going to capture the first A in our string of characters, and then this /1 here, what that means is that we're going to repeat that capture group, right? This is A pipe B, A matches that, right? So that forms the capture group. And then this one is repeating that A from the capture group. And validating it matches the regex. We have, or the other two regex patterns, we have A or B, and A matches both of those. Awesome. We're making quick time through these. Should be nice. All right. So now we have brackets, right? So brackets means whatever comes before them is repeated that number of times. So it's a minimum of 2, and that comma nothing means that you can have up to as many as you want. So we know based on this top one that this is going to be 2 A's because we have a minimum of 2 A's, but let's validate it against the other two options. So this one is B or A because we have our pipe again. And then this one is A with 1. That means there is exactly 1 of that character. Sweet. Moving along. Oh, this is cool. So this /s, if I remember correctly, means that it's any character. So I think since we have a /s, and it's A or /s, we can do B. Is that right? Oh, no, that's not right. Hold on. Let me pop out the help real quick and check this. Let's see. /s is White space. Right, S is for space. Just kidding. So I just put a single space in there because that's going to match our slash S right here, and it's going to match our or slash S right here. Sweet, so that validated. Oh, but I think we're done. Are we done with all the tutorials? Awesome! Thank you for watching my video. Linked below is a playlist of my playthrough of Regex Crossword. If you enjoyed watching the game, why not play it? It's free at regexcrossword.com, also linked below. If you want to be part of the video, come check out my stream at twitch.tv/chillcodes. We play Regex Crossword every Saturday at 12 p.m. EST. Thanks again. Bye!